many students struggle to connect with science and math. And teachers know how hard it is to spark curiosity and drive engagement. Introducing Newsela STEM, an easy-to-use, standards-aligned solution for K-12 classrooms. With engaging videos and classroom activities, leveled texts, and real-world connections, Newsela STEM is built for all learners and ready for every teacher. Newsela STEM blends engaging Generation Genius videos with Newsela's trusted science content, elevating science education by seamlessly integrating technology and engineering with math as a complement, making it simple to teach across STEM subjects, foster critical thinking, and deepen student understanding. Get ready to transform your science classroom with Newsela STEM.